All right. YouTube, what's going on? We back. Another one. We got another one. Honest Modelers back at you with another review, another unboxing. This one's a special one again. Y'all saw the caption. You might as well get it going. Yes, sir. Travis Scott Air Max 1s, the latest release. In hand, in-depth review. And I figured we do this review outside just to give y'all guys a better look at the actual colors on this. Also, it's a very nice day out today, so let's go ahead and get into it. Got Nike and the new Cactus Jack logo right there. That's the new logo they're gonna be using from now on. Got the old school logo right there as well. Got Nike Air Max 1/CJ. Cactus Corporation there. Got that brown paper bag looking paper that Travis Scott likes to use on the shoes. Let's go ahead and get into it, man. Woo. Oh man, these are nice. Let's take them all out the box. Let's take them out. Man, these shoes are nice. Very high quality. The camera really doesn't do it justice, man. You really got to see these in person. These are very high quality on the shoes. Got the signature backwards Nike sign like you see on all the other collabs that he has. This is the Saturn Gold color. It's more like a yellow, like an ash yellow, I would say. Two-tone on the sole to kind of break up the lines there. There's an extra pair of laces, as you can see. The extra pair of laces goes with the bottom of the shoe. Got that new Cactus Corporation logo there. That print that you see there in the front, that's actually a print he's used on a couple of his collabs. Most notably the Air Force One Low collab he did. So yeah, really dope shoes. I like them. Tried to get the brown pair as well, couldn't get those. I actually couldn't believe I got these. No backdoor, no secrets. Straight up Sneakers app raffle win. Got the Cactus Jack right there at the inside. Inside on here we got Nike. It's gonna be in the same colorway as you see on the bottom. Then let's see if we get the tongue there for you. They laced them up pretty tight out of the box. These are fresh out. Haven't even touched them. Haven't worn them. Nothing. Got the new Cactus Jack logo right there. Like a teal color. And overall, man, I like them. I really do. Very high quality shoe. Don't know if I'm gonna pop the other laces in or what. I might just leave the blue ones in for now, see how that looks. I might just go 1 and 1, who knows. But yeah, comment, man. Comment. Tell me what you think about them. Definitely got them in hand. And yeah, got a couple more Travis Scott collabs coming out soon. But you know, cross your fingers. I hope Honest Modelers gets a chance to get a hold of those too. All right. Like, comment, subscribe. See y'all later. Peace.